So many voices call my name, so many screens that steal my time. Lord, in the midst of all this sound, let my heart be fully thine. The world is loud, but you are near. In stillness, Lord, you speak. Your word a lamp to guide my steps through every storm and every week. I will seek your voice above the noise. In the quiet I will wait. Let your spirit lead my every choice. Draw me closer to your grace. You are faithful, you are true. Through the static I choose you. I've chased distractions, wandered far, lost in streams of endless scrolls. But even here you call my name, and grace redeems my weary soul. No algorithm, no disguise can hide the love you freely give. I turn my heart, my mind, my eyes to follow you, my King, and live. I will seek your voice above the noise. In the quiet I will wait. Let your spirit lead my every choice. Draw me closer to your grace. You are faithful, you are true. Through the static I choose you. Yeah. Speak, oh Lord, for I am listening. Tune my heart to hear your ways. Break through all the noise around me. Fill my soul with truth today. Oh, oh, I will seek your voice above the noise. Every moment, every day. Through the chaos, through distraction, Lord, I'll follow